Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing. And if you've never been here before, welcome to the channel. If you have, welcome back and thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. In today's video, I'm really excited because my order from Gerard Cosmetics came in. So I got I think they're calling this like a mystery box or a mystery bag. And this was something that was on their website over Black Friday or, yeah, I think it was on Black Friday. And so I have never ordered from Gerard Cosmetics and I wanted to give the brand a try. And so I picked up this during that time period and I just thought that we would open this together. So it comes like this, and let's see, it says, hi beautiful. So they must have the right address. Okay, let's see, it says Mystery Box 3 Full On Haul. So you are an important part of the GC squad. You inspire us to keep innovating and creating. We hope you enjoy this special delivery from Gerard Cosmetics. Keep in touch with us on social media by sharing your makeup looks and tagging us at #Gerard Cosmetics and GC Love. Okay. Thank you so much for your order and welcome to our GC family. We hope this is a very special delivery. We hope this very special delivery has made your day a little bit brighter. Makeup is our creative outlet and it is a dream come true to share our passion with you. So then it says, much love, Jen Gerard. Let's see what is in the box. And this is something that I was really wanting. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. And I have heard so many people say such good things about this. And I've been wanting to try this so bad. So I think that this comes in all kinds of different like scents and, you know, flavors or whatever. I guess scents is the right word, but it says directions: spray before or after your makeup application to keep your face fresh and flawless. Keeps the skin matte and increases the wear time of your makeup. Ooh, a very fine mist. So this is not really like a certain smell. It just smells generic. So yeah, so we'll see how that works, but it feels good. Oh, and it says lavender. Oh, okay. So this must be the lavender scent. And then this says BB Plus Illumination Facial Cream. Directions: apply to clean skin over or under foundation or moisturizer. Intended use: cream for face. So let's see what this is. That Slay All Day has kind of a cooling sensation. So let's see. This didn't really tell me how much I paid, but I don't think that this was very much. Ooh, okay, here we go. Okay, so this kind of looks a little bit like maybe the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. It just has a shine and an illumination to it. So you could use this just under your makeup to give yourself a very high shine. I got a little bit too much on because I was trying to get it to pump out and it was just taking quite a while. But I love products like that. That's what that's gonna look like. Just a nice shine up underneath your makeup. Or you could use it over the top of your makeup too. Here's another setting spray. And this is Mango. So here's a small mango setting spray. Let's see what that smells like. I wonder if I can twist this off and see. I just want to smell it. That smells really, really good. So I will probably put one of these in my giveaway so that you guys can try one of these too, because this is a smaller one. So I've already got one over here that's in the lavender, and I'll put this one back for one of you. Here is a Color Your Smile. Let's see what this is. Okay. This is, oh, this is neat. This has a mirror on it. So here's a mirror right here. And then this is a corally liquid lipstick. And then here's a Supreme lip cream. In a bright fuchsia pink color. I won't use this, but I'm just going to let you see that because I'm not sure whether I will put one of these in a giveaway. So this is the Supreme lip cream. I'll put that back in. And then this was in the color, let's see, this is in Coral Craze. And then this is a lip pencil. And here's what that looks like. And this is in the color Share. That's pretty. Then we have an Eternal eyeliner in Noir. Maybe this is a liquid eyeliner. So that's what this one looks like. And it is all sealed up. Let's see if I can get this open. So that's what that looks like. So it looks like it'll make a really good line. And it's very black. And then this is a liquid metal matte liquid lipstick. So this is a, you won't be able to see this if I don't swatch it, but this is kind of a taupey brownie nude, but it's a metallic. And the color is called Double Shot. So that's a pretty color. And then here's a Hydra Matte liquid lipstick. So they're giving you a lot of lipsticks in this box. And this is the shade Sedona. Oh, my favorite place. So this is going to be a bricky, rusty color, like red rocks. So there's that shade. I like that shade. And I like the name even more. And then a regular bullet lipstick, and this is just called Lipstick. And the shade name is called Underground. Oh, that's pretty. So that's a good nude right there. So kind of a pinky, got a little bit of a pink tone to it, just a pinky taupey nude. And the packaging looks like this. So if you are wondering what all you get in the Gerard Cosmetics mystery box, then that's what you're getting. And I just wanted to open that with you so that you would see what comes in their mystery boxes if you were interested or wondering, so that you would know in case they maybe offered this after Christmas or something, then you would kind of know what they're putting in their boxes. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and this unboxing. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to be, you can do so by clicking the big red subscribe button. Also, while you're there, if you want to be notified whenever I post further content, all you got to do is click the post notification bell and YouTube will give you a heads up when there's new content to watch. I really appreciate you being here today and spending a part of your day with me. I hope that today finds you happy, healthy, and well. And until next time, smooches everybody. Bye-bye for now.